Students, a very good morning and welcome to the new class. This is Dr. Sanjana Sharma from the Department of English. Students, I am going to teach you paper 6th, Poetry and Drama, Victorians to Moderns. Students, before commencing the texts from this paper, let us first come to know about Victorian England, because the environment, socio-historical conditions in which a person lives shapes one's attitude, one's personality and opinions. So in Britain, in the year 1837, Queen Victoria ascended the throne and became the Queen of England and Ireland. She succeeded William IV. She ruled over Britain for more than 6 decades. And these 6 decades were very important decades for British Empire. During these decades, during her reign, Britain made a great advancement in the field of industry, and on the other hand, British Empire expanded exponentially. All of you have been, or rather I should say, most of you have been students of history and political science during your higher secondary and at your graduation level. And you are very well aware of the expansion of British Empire in 19th century. We all know how India became a colony of England. So, British Empire expanded in various continents like Asia, Australia, and Africa. And many countries became a colony to Great Britain. Through its trade and commerce, Britain received a huge financial profit, and it enabled Great Britain to invest its money in the field of commerce, in setting up the factories and industries in Great Britain. So, while Britain was becoming financially sound and it was making industrial progress, a new strata was taking birth in British society. Middle class was on rise, and due to industrialization at a great span, labor class was also on rise. Its population was also expanding. But as everything has got two aspects. In the same way, while Britain was gaining money, it was becoming a great financial power. New middle class was on rise. On the other hand, the labor class, the working class, it was being exploited by the industrialists, and it was becoming poor. Some reforms took place in Britain and they had an impact, rather, we should say, a positive impact on Victorian society. Romanticism that had given preference to countryside, now this countryside was being occupied now by industries. Victorian era has its strong, harsh, ethical and moral and societal codes of conducts, and these code of conducts were specially harsher on women.